Hello everybody. Apologies if there's noise in the background. I am on site at our Bancroft project again, and I want to give you a quick little tour of the changes that have happened since the last time we've been here. It's really exciting stuff. We've got flooring in. This is luxury vinyl planks, and I gotta be honest with you, they look really good. Us doing a really stringent search for them was totally worth it. They look very good. They are throughout the entire house because, as you can see, these doors open, as do those doors. And this is the living kitchen area. And then as you look across, those doors open. And then as you see across there where we can't see the doors, those open as well. So we had a lot of indoor-outdoor activity here. So we made sure we chose luxury vinyl for the floor because it'll stand up to wear and tear. You can get it muddy and dirty and wet or snowy, and it's not going to be a big deal. And a little view of the gorgeous creek beyond the trees there. And don't mind this. That's going to be used to even out the property because, as you can see, there's a bit of a drop next to the doors because they haven't gotten to the outside yet. They've just been concentrating on the inside. And you can see in between here is the start of our kitchen. As everyone else is, we are subject to the same delays from COVID and labor shortages and all this other stuff. So this is the beginnings. Obviously, you guys will get an update when my kitchen actually goes in and we can see more of it. You guys get to see the start of the powder room. I'm very excited for this. We've got a beautiful black theme in here. So we got these gorgeous black tiles on the floor. We're gonna have a black floating vanity here. And then we're also gonna have these gorgeous black tiles with like sort of a herringbone striation on them going behind the vanity all along this wall. So that'd be cool to show you guys later. And check out our entryway, guys. We have our entry door, which isn't the main entry for the guys working. That's the garage over here. So that's why this is still all protected right now to keep it looking nice. But on the floor here, we decided to do a nice little tile feature. So it's not quite grouted yet. So it doesn't look quite as cool. It's going to when it's done. But we did just 3 tiles by 2 tiles. But we did this really cool feature. That's just some Schluter edging on the tiles that we used in brass to make it look extra special. So this area looks extra special. We're gonna do this huge feature here. It's gonna be big wood closets from floor to ceiling. And we're gonna do some brass hardware there. Behind me, as you see through here, is the mudroom area. That's gonna get a really cool bench area with niches right down to the floor to put your shoes on the luxury vinyl. We're also gonna have a nice big closet here and shelf and hooks over there above the bench. We have some built-ins going on either side of the fireplace. You guys get a sneak peek of what it looks like before they go in because they're not gonna look like this was the before. And then behind me, we've got what's going to be a beautiful built-in entertaining area all across here and a beautiful wood finish. And that banging you hear is they're still working on the wood floors. So this isn't quite finished yet, but we can show you a sneak peek of our bathroom floors. We're waiting on a few things in here before we complete the tiling. And I would like to remind you of the really beautiful view. This is going to have gorgeous view. There's Eagle's Nest back there that you would actually see your property from if and when it's open. It's a nice little conservation area. And this is the gorgeous view from end to end you get to wake up to every morning. This is one of our guest baths. So we actually have this cool feature wall, which is a black warm wood grain tile that actually has, there you can see, actually has a wood texture on it. It's going to be our focal wall with our brass shower fixtures all the way to the high ceiling. And then this gorgeous marble tile, which is actually a ceramic, is going everywhere as well. And then this is our client, who is also the builder, who's also a kind of a hand on site. This is his favorite room, because it has this really gorgeous light coming in on all three sides, all these windows, and it connects to the living area via these pocket doors. You go past, this is actually going to be our laundry area. It's nice and big. And then that opening there goes back to the living room. If you could look to the right, you'd see the fireplace I was showing you. This is the master closet going to the master bedroom, and the same view as showing you before. Thanks for coming with me on the tour of the house. We're very excited to show you more progress. None more than our client and our investors in this property. It's moving along, and we're looking forward to getting doors and trim. And as my client and the builder said, we are going to move very quickly, and things are going to get finished very quickly once we get that stuff. So thanks for coming with me on the tour.